Bloomberg on the track.
We're live, baby. Who's with me? Who's with me? I don't know. I don't really do this that often, so as you can see, though, the ES is falling. Little VWAP. QQQ's holding tight. SPY. Yeah, SPY's dropping harder. So tech's holding up a little bit here. Oh, yeah, is that so? Well, how am I supposed to know that? Whatever. Anyways. Welcome to another episode of The Stock Market Hates You. Seriously. Oh, wait. They made a notification? I'll just give them a little taste of Alright, anyways. Back to it. So yeah, ES is falling. Not really sure why ES is falling like that when you got NQ kind of hovering. It's not falling as hard is what I mean. I can check people. Okay, now KQQ on the 5 minute got a sell signal here and here. Let's see. Let's check Twitter. What's going on? Silver on track for the highest closing price in almost 14 years. Yay. That's old news. That's funny. Hold on. I have to post this in the Brigade. Alright. Let's check it out, see what's going on. So, what I did today is decided to grab. So, basically, let me show you on an hour chart what I was looking at here. So, as you can see, the so these are the pivot points. If you don't know pivot points, learn about them. And then you have momentum, TTM momentum squeeze, and then this is also the TSI, the true strength indicator, which produces sell signals. So if I go like on a 15 minute or a 10 minute or whatever, a 5, whatever's going to show it, right? You see how the gold crosses under the purple. Oh, it disappeared. What was there a second ago? It'll pop back up. Anyways, that's what that is. See right there, sell signal, sell signal. Instead of me grabbing 0-day puts or options, because I just choose not to do that, and I tell everybody in my community they shouldn't be doing that. So I chose to go with the SQQQ calls. Why? Well, look at it. It keeps rejecting this R1 pivot on the hourly. I mean, it has not been able to get across it, right? So, okay, maybe it stops at VWAP, right? Okay, so what? That's just a day. These expire on Friday. And the 9 EMA, whatever. But, next stop here, point of control, right? If I turn extended hours off, there is a gap to fill too. So, I mean, gap fill here to here. So, I mean, I could have gone with like the 560 strike, at the end of the week on puts for QQQ, but I decided to go with the SQQ, which is the 3 times the leveraged inverse ETF of the NASDAQ QQQ. Let's take a look at that. Okay, see, it's basically doing the exact opposite, but it's coming up right now, and I'm basically break even on it right now, though. So that's why I chose to do it. Why did I choose to do that? Well, because for a weekly premium, the 18 strike that I bought, right? It's the 18. Yeah, it expires on Friday. When I bought it, it was. It's exactly at the same price right now. So because there really hasn't been much going on. So instead of risking 0 DTEs on like the 560, which is now worth 2 cents or whatever, puts, I could go out to Friday, but that 560, this is where I think it will go. It's at 150. It's $1.53 a contract, $153 a contract. So I chose to go with SQQQ options. They're much cheaper and it's leverage. So if NASDAQ falls, 1%, then the SQQQ goes up 3%. So if you're holding options, think about that, right? And here it goes. See, look, I'm already up. I got 5 of them. I even put it in the alerts, baby. I don't play around. This is the Brigade Discord community. Link's gonna be in the description. It's gonna be in the bio on Twitter, and it'll be in my the description on YouTube. Let's see. So I see I alerted it right here. Oh, and thank you, Galaxy Star, for calling me out on the wrong expiration date. So yeah, SQQ called 18 call. I changed it. I said 7:15 on accident. She corrected. She goes, "You mean 8:15?" I was like, "Oh, no. But anyways, yeah, that's just, yeah. Anyways, let's get back to it. So, you want to hear some jams or something? I don't know. What are we in, power hour? Yeah, we're in power hour. Power. To my knowledge right now, there is nobody watching this. If that's the case, then am I just wasting my time? Oh man, you guys. What's a stream marker? Oh. Yeah, I don't want that. Oops. Okay, well, anyways, that was the strategy. But what's going on with we're at all-time highs. Like, we got earnings season upon us like crazy. Like, so, for instance, I'll just use quant views. Oh, look, the put to call ratio is starting to we're about to cross over. Actually, I should post that. Okay, back at it. So let's look at futures real quick. So this is in Q. It's coming down. Okay, I have a position in that. Yeah, I'm down. It's okay, I'm down. No big deal. They don't expire till September, these contracts. But like what it's about to do. I'm in Q. It's about to hit. Yeah, that was a gap drop. That was a candle drop like crazy. Right, so yeah, look at that. See, SQQQ is running. Which look, I mean, look, okay, bouncing off VWAP. Let's go to 5 minute. Look at that. I mean, you just can't see. If I had to choose two indicators, if that's all I could choose, I promise you, I would use VWAP and probably pivot points. No shit. Because look at that. That is a perfect bounce straight off of VWAP, which volume weighted average price, if you don't understand what that means, it's the price that is kind of like, hey, buyers and sellers agree that this is like sort of a fair price at this current time on this current time frame, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, it's usually bounces or rejects it if it's coming from the downside, but let's see what happens here. I'm not worried about it. My shorts on the futures, MNQ and MES, are down, but it doesn't matter to me because there's their time decay and they expire in September. It's July, and then we got these SQQQ calls that expire on Friday, so we got time on those. I don't plan on holding them too long at all, but you know, sometimes things happen. Okay. I have got to find a way to get you fuckers to be, sorry for saying fuckers, but I've got to find a way to get you guys to be more participative in these YouTube videos. This craziness. It's craziness. Like, I do this shit for what? Oh, no. That wasn't good. 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm not going anywhere. No one's watching me anyway. Alright, I'm back. So, anyway. Well, since none of y'all want to be in here with me, I guess I'll play some music or something. Or I can play Josh. Sorry, I had to deal with that. I mean, I could play Josh, but he's going to be kind of annoying. He must have switched to his other feed, as usual. Yep, he did. I gotta turn him down, by the way. He's really loud. Alright, fine. I'll turn it up a little bit more.
Fitch is so ill-informed. Stupid people at Fitch. I'm surprised it doesn't start with a B, because that's what they are. I don't even think they understand debt. They've been in the business for a long time. Time to get out. I would tell you that's also why we need to fire Jerome Powell immediately. Too late, too slow.
He's making
too
fun
much money
of
to
Trump.
remodel. Too much everything. Get him out. Even Fitch hates him.
Hold on. Twix is bothering me right now.
Thank
I'm
you
live
for your
on
attention
YouTube
to
and he's
this
bothering
matter.
me. I'm sorry, what?
God bless America.
No, Twix, you can't eat that. I'm joking, idiot. Motherfucker comes over here and asks me if he can eat some potato salad. Like I'm gonna be stingy and hold potato salad against Twix. Should have seen this man last night, by the way.
Eyes on Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft. That'll determine in the next 45 minutes whether you get fired
Anyways.
or not.
So what's the earnings on the table today? Oh shit. Honestly, I don't even know. Columbia will tell me. All right, so today we have an XBI, WRB, Steel Dynamics, nothing of really big.
Oh, you'll get your truth.
Let's see, Verizon, Domino's, Cleveland Cliffs.
I get so much deja vu. We're talking meme stocks, Wall Street bets, and then silver is at a 52-week high. This feels very 2020.
I think the bigger ones are going to be obviously
What's next?
your Teslas on Wednesday after hours. Let's see, tomorrow we got Texas Instruments.
Who's this? Tell him I know who they are. Who's the guy who did this?
Baker
Howard.
Hughes, CoStar Group.
Clean up on aisle Fitch.
Dude, Josh is crazy.
Stupid people. Stupid Howard.
Stupid people. Coca-Cola. Okay.
Dan, really appreciate you very much.
Raytheon,
Let's send it over to Christina
Lockheed
Ports
Martin,
Analyst for a
Sherman
look at the biggest
Williams.
names moving into
I
the
mean,
close. Hi, Christina.
General Motors.
Well, let's start with block surging today after it was selected for inclusion in the S&P 500, replacing Hess, which was
Halliburton.
acquired by Chevron. That's why it's out.
Group.
Stocks often rally when they're added to a major index, as fund managers need to
Let's just put it this way.
rebalance their portfolios to reflect the changes, and that's why you're seeing shares up 7%. Let's talk about Cleveland Cliffs, because it's also surging today after it reported its Q2
Cleveland
results.
Cliffs.
With
So
its
regardless,
CEO saying,
we got
quote,
Tesla, we got
They started
Intel,
to see the positive
got,
impact that tariffs have on domestic manufacturing. The stock right now is on pace for its
T-Mobile,
best day in
IBM,
more
we
than a
got,
month. This is the intraday right now. You can see shares up
Chipotle coming up, I mean,
13%, but still
but
down
today nothing's
around
serious
30%
in my
just over the
opinion. Nothing
last
that's
year or
gonna
so.
like straight up
Mike?
move the market
All right,
too
Christina,
much,
thank
I
you.
think, at least.
We are just getting started here. Still ahead, investors gearing up for a parade of
Other
big
than
tech
that,
earnings.
though,
We'll
yeah,
run you
just
through
so
what to
Tesla
watch
is
after
going
this
to be the
break.
big one, I think.
And later,
this
we'll discuss what
week,
might be next for the
unless
Fed
I'm missing
with former
something.
St. Louis Fed President Jim Bullard. We are live from the New York Stock Exchange. You are watching
As far as
Closing
today
Bell
goes, I
on
mean,
CNBC.
Verizon, Domino's, Cleveland Cliffs, those already passed. So we got, well, whatever. Let's look at the market. Beautiful bounce off of VWAP, like I said, can't make it up. And Josh is driving me crazy with his like his bells in the background and all that. So what I'm gonna do with him is I'm gonna mute his channel for a second until it gets important, and then I'll just put on some jams or something low key. Yeah.
Bloomberg on the track.
Alright, so right now we're looking at the MAQ. This is like a position, but let's see. Let's actually go back to the chart. Alright, NQ on a 15-minute. Let's look at the 5. Bouncing right off VWAP. It's doing the same thing that the QQQ is doing, literally. If we want to go on a farther time frame, though, see what I'm talking about here. By the way, if you guys are interested in buying some beats or licensing some beats, holler at your boy. Because this is all me right here. So if I took this and fibbed it, right, to the April lows. So now we are so far high above the 100% fib, right, to the bottom. But if I go to a weekly, but they just delete it or some shit? What the fuck? And that would be like the next target. Do I see us getting there? Absolutely fucking not. Why, you ask? Do I need it? I don't need to explain it. Come on. But either way, we got a lot of gaps to fill on the downside on QQQ. I mean, on SPY, same thing. I mean, let's just look at a monthly chart real quick, guys. Look how okay. Every time the monthly chart has become overbought, right? Now you got to remember something. Okay, overbought here. Guess what? 2021 going into 2022. Here's 2022 bear market. We come down, and then now look, we come up. That right here was, I believe, September 2023. And then we just rose. That was, I want to say that was October, yeah. And then this is all the crazy tariff bullshit right here. And now we're sitting up here. Look, we're back at overbought territory. So every time we do this in the monthly, look, what happens? We come down. Do we come down like a crash? No, not necessarily. Let's look at a weekly and discuss this though. Okay, overbought. What was this? That was okay. Let's back it up. Here we go. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it for real. So, overbought. Beginning of 2018, right? When Trump decided to do tariff 1.0. Okay, boom. Come down. Catches itself at the 50-week moving average, right? Then at the end of the year, we had the Christmas, what do you call it? The Christmas Eve massacre, right? Whatever. You know, it was like somewhere like right around here, right? But guess where it caught itself? Almost at the 200-week moving average, which is the most important moving average I think there is. And then we climbed from there. But guess what? Overbought. What happened? COVID broke through the 200-week. V-shaped recovery. Okay, so then look, here's like COVID, the COVID run up. And so yeah, you kind of hover right here, but then like long enough up there, boom, right? We kind of hit the top. Then interest rates start getting kicked in, right? Here's the 2022 October 13, 2022 bottom, October 14, 2022 bottom of the SPY. Where did it bounce off of? The 200-week moving average. I mean, to be honest with you, the only times it really has broken it was COVID briefly, and it touched it in 2011. But other than that, 2008 .com bubble. So, you know, it's getting to one of those things. But let's sharpen up, get back into the. I just wanted to make this very clear. We are getting into this territory where, yeah, we could hover, but you know, earnings. I mean, what's the catalyst? Earnings. Well, I mean, they better. I mean, they do have low expectations supposedly, but I don't know. I don't know. I mean, all it takes is a tweet from Trump, right? So let's go back to a shorter time frame. SPY came down pretty heavily right there. I mean, QQQ is like, so tech is holding up way stronger than the rest of the market. Now, in about about 20 minutes or so, the 10-minute rate will kick in and we'll kind of see the direction. I mean, it's kind of been a boring day unless you got the run up on the indices or the ETFs in the morning, because otherwise it's just been doing the VWAP dance, VWAP bounce, VWAP bounce. Right? So I don't know. Maybe this is just the most boring day to be trading. I don't know anymore. I don't really care, honestly. Hey guys, you see me? It's your boy Chuck Bloomberg in the motherfucking house. Alright, so I mean, do you want me to keep the camera on? Am I talking to myself here? Let's see what people in the Brigade have to say. No one's doing alerts? What are the algos doing? Interesting. Alright. I'm gonna see if QQQ can break this VWAP. If it can't, it just keeps doing the VWAP dance, or SPY, or whatever. Well, SPY broke it. SPY's breaking it actually quite aggressively. What's the RSP doing? The equal weight. I thought I had it on here. Well, that's the VIX. I mean, it's under 20, so yeah. I mean, look at that. That's the equal weighted. That's the equal weighted SPY. But for some reason, tech's holding up stronger. Let's see if we can break it. Bloomberg on the tracks. There you go. So let's see if it breaks it. Because if it doesn't break it, I swear, if it does the VWAP dance, I'm off. I'm out. I mean, look at that. This is a 1 minute chart, so I don't put too much faith in it, but I mean, come on. Look, we got a sell signal right here on the TSI down here at the bottom. The momentum is shifting like you wouldn't believe, and this is a 15-minute chart, so it's testing it. But if it's just gonna keep doing this, I'm done. I'm done. Like, why am I doing this anyway? I got a 5 minute. Watch this. It's gonna go and test the 9 EMA, and then just do that, and then the day's gonna be over. Bada bing, bada boom. For some reason, my chat is not enabled. I don't know why that is. So sorry if you can't chat with me, but yeah.
Moving on the track.
Oh shit. Well, real quick, let's do it. Wait. What's going on with Twitter? Is there anything happening that we need to know about? This is a joke. This is a joke. This has to be a joke. Hold on, we gotta play it. And 1 second. No way. I didn't see this earlier. Alright, let's go back up real quick. Let's hear this.
Fucking zero DT. Fuck your fucking options. Fuck your fucking zero DTE calls. Fuck the economy. Fuck inflation. Fuck your soft landing. I am sick of this shit. Fuck Wall Street. Fuck you all. I'm fucking out. Fuck your fucking options. Fuck your fucking zero DTE calls. Fuck the economy. Fuck inflation. Fuck your soft landing. I am sick of this shit. Fuck Wall Street. Fuck you all. I'm fucking out. Fuck your fucking options. Fuck your fucking zero DTE calls. Fuck the economy. Fuck inflation. Fuck your soft landing. I am sick of this shit. Fuck Wall Street. Fuck you all. I'm fucking out. Fuck your fucking options.
Okay, I've heard enough.
Fuck your fucking zero DTE calls. Fuck the economy. Fuck inflation. Fuck your soft landing.
Alright, so, anyways, nothing too crazy. Yeah, I think that's about it. This was kind of a waste of time, I guess. Fuck it. Anyways, if you do want to... Wait, hold up. If you want to become a part of the Brigade Discord server, it's simple. Like I said, there'll be links, and you will have to apply. And if we accept you, we accept you. If you don't, we'll give you a reason why, and you can reapply. We got our analysts, we got our mods, that's me. We got the pirates. Yeah, we got a lot of tools, a lot of good people in here. So, anyways, with that being said, I will leave you with something interesting. How about that, huh? We out here. Sometimes I just don't understand.
What's poppin'?
What's good?
What's goody, drama?
Wheezy, what's happening?
What's goody?
Now hold on, Wheezy, now, cause you know what I mean, like,
I'm gonna
let
mute
me
my
do this
mic,
because
but
we got a
let's
lot of
play
people
out.
listening.
And y'all got
You know,
fun
it's
with
a
it.
lot of DJs listening, and I just wanna set the scenario so people understand what's going on. You know, earlier this week, an interview that you did leaked onto the internet from a magazine that you called in with some comments that were made and whatnot, and basically, I started to get a lot of phone calls myself, and everybody started to hit me up and ask me what my opinion was, and ask me what I thought about, the comments that Lil Wayne made about mixtapes and mixtape DJs and everything. And I started off, and I basically told everybody I don't have a comment right now. You know what I'm saying? And the last couple of days, and I hit you this morning because my thing was I wanted to give you a platform to speak on behalf of yourself before anything else was said on that instance, because you my nigga, we done made history together, and it's only right. You know what I'm saying? When you the hottest nigga in the game, a lot of people gonna come at your neck, and every word that you say is being looked at very, very carefully. So my nigga, I appreciate you calling. My nigga David Banner's here, man. You know what I'm saying? What's happening, Weezy?
What's poppin', DV?
What's up, boy?
Hey, Drama, I thank you. I thank you first off for letting me even get to say what I gotta say. First off, man, I ain't mean to disrespect no DJs, no mixtape DJs, whatever kind of DJ you is, with no kind of disrespect. Especially, shout out my homeboy T-Neil and the co-DJs too.
Shout out to the co-DJs.
Pay close fucking attention.
Especially given the fact that me and Drama, me and Khaled, me and my homeboy Rod Smooth from New Orleans, we all get it in and do the mixtape thing. So, given that fact right there, things are blown out of proportion. But what I do want to say is, whoever got soft feelings, or whoever took what I said, whatever way they want to take it and feel some kind of way, I want you to know, please do not feel differently after you hear me on this radio. I want you to still feel fuck me. I want you to still feel fuck that nigga. Because when you see me in the streets, I want it to be that. And I'm going to bite your fucking face off. It's Weezy motherfucking F. So like I said, I meant every single word I said. But I fucks with every DJ I fucks with. But this Empire nigga, I don't fuck with him. And for all DJs, just letting y'all know that whole shit was meant to the Empire nigga. I don't fuck with the Empire nigga. The nigga put out a CD on me every month. I couldn't tell you how none of them niggas looked in person, man. You know what I mean? So that's what I be pissed off about. Plus, I went and got a mixtape before of some shit called Wayne's World, Volume 7. Nigga, these niggas is on Volume 7. But first, you gotta understand, when I put the disc in, these niggas is on there talking like these niggas on there like, yo, nigga, this our 7th time around, nigga, what's good? These niggas hating on us, we getting money, nigga, we eating, nigga, drop the track, nigga, Wayne's World, nigga. I'm like, ain't this a bitch? I don't even know these niggas.
Yo, Philly, nigga, I'll let you butt.
So honestly, that's who I really miss. So if you made the Wayne's World Volume 1 through 7, your mama's a bitch. And if you the Empire nigga, I hope you died twice tomorrow. But every other DJ, I fuck with you, no homo. I love y'all niggas. I wouldn't be shit without you, tell you the truth.